Hey, YouTube people. Hey, today I'm going to talk about a flower that every gardener could benefit from having in their vegetable garden. They even would benefit a flower garden. These are also edible, and I mean, they're just a little powerhouse, and that's the marigold. And I don't think that they get talked about enough, really. And I have set out to collect as many varieties as I can, as I do with pretty much everything. Pardon me. And so this is what I'm going to be starting for my garden, for myself, and for my plant sale. And my plan is that if people come in and buy, like, say, 5 tomato plants, I'm going to give them a couple of marigolds for free, just because I think it's the right thing to do. So let's get into this. So, and I've got a lot more than this, but a lot of times, let's see, a lot of times when I do a trade, I get packets like this. Eatable. Is that a word? Okay, they are edible, they are medicinal, but they don't tell me what variety they are. And so those are ones that I'm not going to show you, but I have a huge bag full of marigold seeds here, different kinds. The first one I'm going to talk to you about, this one I do not have the variety name. It is one that I bought. I believe I bought this from Wilco Feed and Farm Store, and it was a pretty marigold, and it was the most fragrant flower. I didn't know marigolds could smell that good, and so I saved a bunch of seeds from it. Now, I don't know if it's a hybrid. I really don't know, but I'm going to start it and see what I can get out from it, because if I can get another plant that smells that good, my work here is done. I probably won't bother planting out any more seeds other than these. But anyway, so those are the fragrant marigolds from my garden in 2024. And then I have, these are the same thing here. So these are the French dwarf double mixed colors. And you get these, that's what they look like. And I mean, these I believe are from Walmart. Or they could be from, no, they wouldn't be from the dollar store, because they would say 4 for $1 or whatever. But those are from Walmart. And then I have that big package of them. So there will be a lot of French marigolds. Alrighty, let's see. I think we'll just do these little packets. Dwarf Bolero mix. I don't know that that's a mix or not, but there's the Dwarf Bolero. Orange Flame. And I really appreciate people that write the variety on there. Bambino. Red Metaphor. Strawberry Blonde. Keys. Jolly Jester. Sparky Mix. And yes, some of these are older seeds, and that's fine. I properly store my seeds, so I'm not worried about it. Some more Strawberry Blonde. So I'm thinking with all the Strawberry Blonde, at least one of them has to come up true to type. And this is a Hawaiian marigold. And these are supposed to be vanilla marigolds. So we will see how those go. I'm going to go ahead and put these back. Clear up some space here. And then this was a free seed. I bought either zinnias, or I believe zinnias, off of Etsy, and they sent me Cracker Jack marigolds. Always welcome. Let's see. I have 3 packs of Legion Honor French marigolds, and that's what they look like. The reason why I have 3 packs, pardon me, sorry about that. The reason why I have 3 packs of Legion Honor is that Nicotopka, now they're not shipping out of country right now at all with the war. It's really done a number on their business, and I feel really bad for them. But they were doing clearances. And so I think I picked these up for about 70 cents a pack. So I wanted to make sure that I had quite a few to go. And these are good until 2026, 2027, 2027. So I've got time on those. I'm not really worried about it. These are dwarf albatross. These are white. And it says these are viable until 2025. They're still viable. I just probably won't get as much germination, and that's fine. I will get some germination. Pardon me. And this is the Mexican marigold called Alaska. Look at that big, white, beautiful marigold. And then we have Mexican marigold classic mix, a French marigold variety called Marietta, and this is when they stopped putting pictures on their packages, which, I mean, it's up to them. Mexican marigold Hawaii, so which I'm thinking that's what that other pack was. And then this is a French marigold mix, and those are really pretty. So those are all from Nicotoka. I'm just really sad that Nicotoka is a thing of the past now. And then I have this variety called Little, I believe, Devil Fire. And did you know that calendula are also called pot marigolds? Just so you know. That's why this one, if you see calendula and then it says marigold, it's because that's what they call calendula or pot marigolds. And this is a variety called Champion. And I love these 50-cent a pack seeds. I think they're great, and they do grow really well. And you can save the seeds and they grow back true. Queen Sophia, look at that, beautiful. That's kind of what that really fragrant one that I had out in the garden looked like. Was real similar to that. Maybe it's the same one. So we'll definitely try these this year and see. And then these are Petite Yellow. And these were a Dollar Tree special. And then Petite Yellow, and we have Petite Mixed Colors. And then this is called Sunset Giants Mixed Colors. It's huge and pretty. And last but never least, we've got Sugar and Spice from Baker Creek. And so I'm going to be starting all those marigold varieties for sure. Because, like I said, they're just super beneficial. They're a great thing to have in the garden. They are edible. They are medicinal. You make tea with them. And also, if you have chickens, they can eat marigold flowers. So just keep that in mind. So make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I love numbers like that. Leave me a comment below. And thanks.